Okay, so this is just a short video to demonstrate the simplistic operation of Wilson Hardness BH3000 Brinell hardness tester. Just giving you an idea of what the system looks like. This particular instrument has 8 selectable Brinell scales that you can test in at any given time. The system ranges from 187.5 kilograms all the way up to 3,000 kilograms of force. To take a test, it's very easy to do. What you can do is, you can see here, just giving you an idea what the front panel looks like. You can take and just simply, if you want to test in a particular scale, you press the scale icon, and you see here, those are 8 selectable Brinell scales. We'll go up to most common HB10 10mm ball, 3,000 kilograms of force. Press OK. Right? And then you might want to just adjust the time cycle if you want to test in a particular time setting. Press the setup key. Scroll down to force. Press OK. And you might want to have it defaulted to the fastest time cycle that you can test in accordance to the ASTM E10 testing standard. So 3-second application time, 10-second dwell time, final force application, and just press OK. And followed by escape, you get back to the home screen. Okay, so you're all set. Make sure that you have the right indenter in place. In this case, there's our 10mm ball. Hopefully you can see it. Put your sample in place. In this case, I'm just going to use a test block to demonstrate the testing process. So just put a test block in place. In case you're wondering, this item here is actually a specimen clamping fixture. So it prevents your part from shifting during the test. I'll make sure that your part doesn't move and have any compliance during the test. We clamp the specimen in place to ensure proper results. So what you can do now is, using the elevating unit here, the hand wheel, you simply raise the part up into position, bring it up close. Clamping. Notice the specimen is now clamped, but the indenter is not touching. And as soon as you get to that point, you can press the start key. The test area is free and ready to go. And we're now taking a test. You can see that the force is being applied. Going through the dwell time, trying to hold the phone camera steady. Unloading. And now your specimen can be removed from the machine. You would then take that part and, using a Brinell deep reading microscope, or maybe a KingScan automatic software measurement system, you could then obtain your measurements. So I happen to know, just to show you, that you would manually measure your indentation diagonals using a Brinell microscope, and you just incorporate your D1 and D2, diagonal 1, diagonal 2, and then you just simply press OK, and you observe your hardness result right here on the screen. It's very easy to do, very simplistic in design, very intuitive handset. So you do a lot of different things. You can just continue going on. So you can see now we're ready to make another test. Press start again. You would make another indentation, and then you can enter the diagonals. You can also back out, and there's other things that you can do. You can set tolerances, minimum and maximum values, change the language. So you can see here it's available in English, Chinese, and German, and adjusting the contrast of the screen and forcing it. It's very easy user interface for anybody. Very intuitive. So. Okay, so that's the equipment. Very quick operation. And thank you.